Hello children, how are you all? Which season is going on children now? Yes, it's a rainy season. Now, what do we do during rainy season? We wear wind cheaters. We wear wind cheaters, raincoats, gum boots. Yes or no? To protect us from the rainwater. And during the rainy season, how is the surrounding? It is full of greenery. We can see all the plants green, and we can see everywhere water with puddles of water on the land. And what else do we see during the rainy season? We see small snails, we see frogs, we see earthworms. Most of the insects we see during the rainy season. And children, we all enjoy rainy season. Yes or no? Yes. Why do we enjoy? Because you all get to make paper boats. You all make paper boats and you all sail it in the rainwater. Now, I will tell you a small story of John. There was on a Monday morning, John had to go to school and it was raining heavily. Mummy told John to put a raincoat and to put on the gumboots. And Mummy and Daddy took an umbrella. They went walking to school. They did not get wet at all. Thank you.